Hi everyone. Now we are discussing about electronic switching system. It is a subject of it is a subject of 4th EC 41. First topic is evolution of telecommunications. Evolution of telecommunications. First, telecommunication networks are mainly used to share the information from one medium to another medium or to computers or to devices or sender to receiver or receiver to sender. That means telecommunication networks are transfer the information from source to destination. In this process, telecommunications are used electrical, radio and electromagnetic optical signals. Both are more helpful to transfer the information from source to destination. Historically, the transmission of telegraphic signals over was first technology was developed is in the era of 1837, which is discovered by Great Britain, and then after also you introduced France in the era of 1845. Both countries are the first countries who invent the telecommunications or telegraphy system in the world. Then after, the first modern telephony system was introduced by Alexander Graham Bell at Bell Labs in the year of 1876. Alexander Graham Bell is the father of modern telecommunication system. A modern telecommunication system is mainly used for to transfer the information from long distance voice transmissions without wire. Graham Bell demonstrated a point to point telephone connection. The related diagram of Alexander Graham Bell point to point telephone communication links. It is a network with point to point links who invent the Alexander Graham Bell. In this we are seeing the different major points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the links. When we are calling to the from sender to receiver, which connects the nearest node or nearest subscribers. A calling subscriber chooses the appropriate link to each established connection with the called subscriber. That means when we are calling the telephone switch, the data will be connected to the nearest links or nearest nodes or nearest objects. Every telecommunication networks requires a link to exchange signals between source to destination or sender to receiver. That means a network with point to point network links will exchange data information faster and easier. From the above diagram, different entities or different links are arranged. In general case, n entities have requires n of n minus 1 two links, n of n minus 1 by 2 links. So that means the total number of links will be represented. First link is represented n minus 1, second link is represented n minus 2, third link represents n minus 4, up to total number of links will be indicates L equal to n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus 1 plus 0 is equal to n of n minus 1 by 2. That means L indicates the total number of links. First link n of n minus 1, second link n minus 2, third link n minus 4, total links L. That means L equal to n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus up to number of ending links. A large scale of telephone sets or pairs are also called as switching system. A large scale of telephone sets or pair are also called as switching system or switching office or telephone exchange. It is a switching system which requires large scale of information or large scale of subscribers to interaction using a switching system. In this diagram, the sender receivers will be connected by using S2 and S of n minus 1. S2 is the sender, S of n minus 1 are the receiver. By using switching system, only one link per one subscriber is required between subscriber and switching system. The total number of links is equal to the subscriber to connect the system. This process is known as control functions. By using control functions, we are connected the information from sender to receiver. So this process will be continuously running, and then it will sending the information from sender to receiver. Next one is classifications of switching systems. Classifications of switching systems. Switching systems are mainly classified two types: manual switching system, automatic switching system. Again, automatic switching system is also classified two types. They are electromechanical switching system. Next one is electronic switching system, which is also called as stored program control. Stored program control, SPCs. SPC. Electromechanical system is also again classified two types: stagger or step-by-step switching system, and second one is crossbar switching system. Electronic switching system is also classified two types: space division switching system, time division switching system. Time division switching system is also classified digital switching system and analog switching system. Digital switching system is allows only binary data information. That means it is allow only zeros and ones. That's why it is called digital switching system. Analog switching system, it is a form of sine wave. That means it has positives and negatives. Again, digital switching system is classified three types. First one is space switching system, time switching system, combination switching system. So this is the family of classification of switching systems. This is the family of classifications of switching system. Now we are entering to the telecommunication network switching system. Telecommunication network switching system. It is a telecommunication network. In this also we are connected so many switching systems SS1, SS2, SS3, SS4. SS1 switching system 1, switching system 2, switching system 3, switching system 4. That means SS is equal to switching system, which is also known as different modes or different devices, which is more helpful to share the information from so many devices sender to receivers by using SS switching system. In this, we are also using trunks and subscriber lines. Trunks and lines are the transmission paths. Transmission paths. The link run between switching system is called trunks. Trunks, and these that run to be the subscriber premises is known as subscriber links. That means trunks are the transmission paths between the links. For example, SS1 to SS4 or SS2 to SS4. Subscriber lines means so many calls are entering to the telephone exchange offices. At that time, only active calls will be connected to the sender to receiver. So these lines are called subscriber lines. Subscriber lines. And we are also see the modern telecommunication networks. These are also used point to point electrical or optical communication system. Point to point electrical system or optical communication system. Optical communication system. Optical communication system. The related diagram will be seen. This is the modern telecommunication network or modern telecommunication system. In any telecommunication system, we are already discussed. We are using electrical signals or electromechanical signals or optical communication signals. First diagram is an electrical communication system. Second diagram, an optical communication system. Both are the modern telecommunication system. Nowadays we are also using like this system. It is avoid unwanted noise and it will send the information from source to destination. Here we are seeing different blocks. CI equal to channel interface, EOC equal to electrical to optical converter, ES equal to electrical signal, OEC equal to optical to electrical converter, SC equal to signal conditioner, T equal to transducer. By using these all we can easily share or transmitting, converting and modifying the signals, and then after it will converts the electrical signals to voice signals or voice signals to electrical signals. So the converted final information will be sending to the receiver. Telecommunication networks are most widely used. Different types. They are telegraph networks, telex networks, telephone networks, data networks. In modern communication, we are also using telegraph networks, telex networks, telephone networks, and data networks. So this is the Brief information of evolution of telecommunications. Evolution of telecommunications. Evolution of telecommunication. The main object is which is introduced historical process of telecommunication and modern history of telecommunication, and also brief history of working functions of switching system, point to point links, optical communication system, and electrical communication system. Thank you. Thank you.